Struggling to find enough good sources for your paper? Today we're going to show you a simple strategy called following the paper trail, which can take you from one source to many in minutes. What is it and who's it for? This strategy is perfect for when you're just first starting your research. Following the paper trail helps you to find both primary sources, which are created during the time period, like newspapers or magazines, and secondary sources, an analysis written later, like articles and books. Step 1. Find one good article. Start with a broad search in UTSA Library's Quick Search. Make sure you're only searching for scholarly or peer-reviewed articles. Once you find one that looks like it matches your topic, select it, and let's take a closer look. Step 2. Look for clues in the article. First, we will look for clues in the title and the abstract. For example, if a newspaper or magazine is mentioned, like this one is here, this could immediately lead us to a primary source. Step 3. Go to the footnotes. Now scroll down to the footnotes or references. This is your research goldmine. These are the exact sources that the author used. Note, you may see more than one source in a footnote. Each source will be separated by a semicolon. Step 4. Identify the types of sources. Now that we have found reliable citations to sort through, you can use the following clues to help you to quickly identify the type of source that you are looking for. If it's a book, it will include a publisher's name in the citation. If it's a journal article, then it will have two titles, both the article title and the journal title. And you can usually identify that it is a primary source if it is a newspaper, magazine, or other document from that time period. Step 5. Search for the sources. Now it's time to search for the sources we found by using our UTSA Library's Quick Search. When conducting your search, make sure to remove extra commas and punctuation. When searching for a book or article, include the author and then put the title in quotation marks. And for a specific journal, magazine, or newspaper, search using the Journal Titles tab. These tips will help you search more accurately and find results faster. Step 6. Access and repeat. Once we have located the source, we can now open it and explore to see if it is what we are looking for. If it is, then we can use this as a resource for our paper. And if needed, we can always continue to repeat the paper trail steps to find more resources. So remember, save time and search smarter simply by following the paper trail.